Hello and welcome everyone to one more awesome video in which I'll guide you to one keyword research tool that surpasses Google Keyword Planner and any other keyword research tool present in the internet right now. And one tool that can lead you to the best keywords, then give you all the best keywords you need. Just one simple tool, and it gives you every detail you need all for free. No hidden charges, nothing they cost you, nothing there is, just one tool, right? And the tool I'm talking about is this Ubersuggest. This is one of the best tool present in the internet right now, and all for free. All data are free, and there's no hidden data over there. There's nothing hidden that you have to look for by paying money. There's nothing hidden. So you just go to ubersuggest.com, go to Google, put Ubersuggest, hit enter, you'll get this website. You come over this website and put any word you want, and I'll thoroughly compare this to Google Keyword Planner. How this is better than Google Keyword Planner, I'll show you that as well. So this is one of the best initiative taken by Sir Neil Patel, and he's one of the biggest marketer present in the world, I feel. But right now what he did for the marketers, for digital marketers, is awesome, and this tool is the best tool, just the best tool. Let me show you how. Just put SEO, anything, just put any keyword you want to write about, any keyword you want, and it gives you detail information. First of all, I guess I need to cross this. Yeah, just give me a second, guys. I can do this. Yeah, I can do this. Yeah, again, traffic lights. Okay, I'm sorry for this, guys. Seriously, haven't seen this. Yeah, we did it. Yeah, see, it have this much search volume, this much SEO difficulty, paid search difficulty, cost per click. It give you every single detail you need. That this beautiful thing, the Google Keyword Planner, lags. This just give you this estimate thing, just the overview. Nothing there is bid rate, everything is like kind of a overview and very less information. You see, there is very rough information about you that can help you to leverage, that help you to grow, that help you to find the exact keyword. This is almost no information you can feel if you compare to the best tool, that is this Ubersuggest, right? So it gives you the search volume, it gives you SEO difficulty, paid search, it gives you how much that is trending in the market, how much the people are searching for this keyword in the market, and it kind of give you more tool, more kind of words that people are searching with, more kind of things that people are searching with. You kind of get off a handful of kind of full of information with one tool, and you kind of know everything. See how much trending. SEO, for SEO the volume is 11,000 something, and the cost per click is 17. Then if you want to be into this kind of ad, if you want to do some ad for SEO keyword, you have to minimum have to pay $17. The paid search difficulty is 44. Paid search difficulty means like getting top ranks in ads also difficult. So this much difficulty, 44 is the number, the 100 is the max and 0 is the least. So 44 is the difficulty level if you do AdWords search to get in the top list. So organic search difficulty is 74. It's too much, I know, but everything is possible if you write awesome content, good content, share it very well. If people like it, you're going to surpass this thing as well. You're going to be on the top as well. So the whole point is, it gives you every information. If you just hit enter, if you click over here, it kind of give you which page is also ranking, which page is ranking and number one, which is page ranking number two, what is the domain score, how much social share it gets. So you can get an idea, you can see your competitors directly without going anywhere else. And see this is our best tool. Where is this gone? Yeah, our best tool, the Google Keyword Planner. There is nothing if I compare with Neil Patel SEO Ubersuggest tool. Ubersuggest is it's just beating hands down this Google Keyword Planner. So you just need Ubersuggest for all your marketing needs. It gives you kind of every single detail you need. Just put your keyword over here, see how much difficulty is, work based on that, work hard based on that, see your competitors, compare to competitors, and that's it. That's all you need to be. into to for the keyword research. It's very simple as that, right? There's no much difficulty, and you don't have to wander here and there for the keywords. So make it, bring it, do it, and get on the top list of Google, right? Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like the video. If you have any doubts, please comment. I'll be happy to learn and happy to share my more thing with you. Please subscribe to my channel for more tricks and tips on SEO, on marketing, or any kind of stuff that I put. Like, I will be providing you a lot of good and awesome videos in the upcoming days, right? So please subscribe, and thanks a lot.